Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this question 51 divided by 3 parenthesis 2 plus 15. Okay, what will be the right answer? If you have already solved this question, go and comment your right answer. I will give them heart, and in the next step I will solve this step by step. So here we can see there are parentheses. So first priority will be given to parentheses. So in the next step 51 divided by 3, 15 plus 2, which will be what? 17. Okay, and in that case there are division and multiplication and which have the same priority, so we will solve from left to right. And for this expression 51 divided by 3, which will be 17. Okay, if you think 17 into 3, that is 51, and 51 divided by 51, which will be 1, then this will be wrong. 1 will not be the right answer. What I'm doing, that is right. 51 divided by 3, that is 17 into 17. So when we can simply write 17 square, which will be the right answer, and if you expand this will become 289. So 17 times 17, that will be 289. So here right answer will be 289. So subscribe us for more questions like this, and go and check out best math book in the description. Thanks for watching.